Hey guys, welcome back to your YouTube channel where we learn something new every day. In our yesterday's video, we learned about worksheet functions. I also shared a long list of functions with you all which can be used with this code. But do you know you can use some Excel functions without using word worksheet functions? If not, don't worry. In this video, we are going to learn how to use these Excel functions. Coming up. Now, before we move on to our today's topic, if you are new to this channel and want to keep learning and become an expert in VBA, we are sharing a new video every day, something new to learn every day on this channel. So consider subscribing. Moving on, what we are going to learn today are using Excel functions directly in VBA. As you can see, I have written few formula names like left, length, and uppercase, right? And again, like yesterday, there is a long list of Excel functions which are supported directly in VBA. So here is the list from Microsoft website. I'm going to share with you all. So you can see this is a long list of functions. You can use all of them in VBA language directly without using Word application.worksheet function, which we were using in yesterday's list, right? Yesterday's list, yep. So as you can see on my VBA editor, you can open VBA editor by pressing Alt and F11, and you can insert a module by clicking Insert and then Module. I already have a module which we saw yesterday. So you can see using worksheet functions was shared yesterday, and today we are going to talk about these Excel functions, right? So as you can see, I have already written some cell numbers. So these are the same numbers which are written here, 19, 20, and 21, C19 to 21, right? So that's all. That's what I have written here also, right? In the first case, I want the left 5 characters. So this is like as always, like range and then cell number dot value is equal to. Then after that, it's same as what you are writing in Excel. So you don't have to write first of all application dot worksheet function, right? So this is same as how you write in Excel. So you just have to write left and then whatever word you want to assign it to, and then you can write the number of characters you want from the left side, right? Again, if you want from certain cell, you can again write this thing. So for example, it's not necessary to have this hard coded here. So if you have, let's say, something in D19 and you want 5 characters, left 5 characters from that, so that can also be possible in all the cases. You can do that. Again, length is same as I have just written length and then the word of which I want the length. And the next one is uppercase. I want all these 3 words in uppercase, right? So let's check how this is working in Excel. I'll be pressing F8 to run it one by one. So we have the first 5 characters. The length is 15, and as you can see, this thing now, I've got everything in capital letters or uppercase, right? So this way, you can use all these functions. As I said, there is a long list, and fortunately, all of these can be used directly in VBA. No need of complicating it with words like application.worksheet function. That's it for today's video. Let me know in comments which of these functions you think will be useful to you. Thanks for checking out this video. Subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't done that yet. Keep learning, keep growing. We'll speak to you soon. Goodbye.